Hi, this is Rob Reed with Recreation by Design, and I have the pleasure of bringing to you today the Navigation 301 RBS. This is a 2-slide-out couples coach with a big king bed in the front, walk-in closet with a big rear bath. Let's get started on the front of the Navigation 301 RBS. Every good RV starts off with a good solid foundation, so I want to point out to you our 10-inch I-beam frame. That is a strong frame for this size travel trailer. The other thing I want to show you is our 2x4 tongue and groove plywood floor. We do have R7 fiberglass insulation in between. Our front end here is a diamond plate stone guard. And then we also use a 030 metal on the top here, also on the side. What you'll notice across the front here is we are a wide body travel trailer. So we are 8.5 foot wide versus your traditional 8 foot. That's going to give you a lot more storage on the inside, a lot more hallway space. Also down here we give you a deep cycle RV battery, your 30-pound LP tanks. We also have here an automatic switchover and regulator for your 30-pound LP tanks. Down here, we give you a battery disconnect that's on the outside of the A-frame. So when you go to put this unit into storage, all you gotta do is push a button and it cuts off all the 12-volt power for the whole unit. That keeps your battery stronger, a higher level for you when you wanna come back and use it. One of the neat things I wanna point out is an LED light. All of our running gear has LED lights on it. Your brake lights, your turn signal lights, and your running lights are all LED lights. Here we're using this is our slide out. There's our front bedroom slide. This is a electric slide in the front here. You'll notice that we have this metal ridge here that covers up all raw wood. It goes all the way around the inside, and then on the very bottom side here, you're gonna have your undercoating for that. This is a rack and pinion electric slide as well. Moving around to the other side, again, this is the front side of your king bed slide. We also give you storage. One of the neat things here is we give you a ton of exterior storage there that actually goes up underneath your bed. One of the other neat features I like is our magnetic door catches. Stows them up nice and tight so it doesn't come apart. Okay, we'll move on to further down here. You also have potable water. This is where you can fill your potable water. This is a 49-gallon freshwater tank on the Navigation here. Moving down the side here, this is our living room slide. What I want to point out here is our 8800 max airflow windows. These are a nice clamp ring window around the outside, gives you a lot more ceiling capabilities there. Also, it's a 80% tint. And one of the other neat features is it opens up 50%, so you get 50% airflow. Some of our competitors use a jalousie window that only gives you about 30 to 33% airflow. Moving back further down the line here of this Navigation, you'll notice that all of our Navigation series comes with 50 amp service standard. Over here you're going to have your cable and satellite prep. We have one to the bedroom, or one to the living room, two to the bedroom. Here you're going to have your city water fill. You can just hook up your garden hose there and have constant water there. This is our outside shower. Your outside shower has hot and cold running water, and it also has a 6-foot hose to it. Moving around the back side, we have a box tube steel bumper here. That'll allow you to put a spare tire back there if you want. We actually have an undermount spare tire on this model, but you could also put your bike rack on here, or even a U-bolt outside grill, RVQ grill. Our ladder here is an option, but it is very strong, so you can get up there on your roof and do anything you need to do, from resealing, washing, checking your caulk lines. This has got a 300-pound weight capacity on it, so anybody can get up there and check out all the maintenance things we got to do. On the corner here, as in every corner of the Navigation series, we have an optional electric stabilizer jacks. So you can bring those down just with a push of a button. Moving on down the line here, this is our standard 10-gallon gas electric DSI, which is direct spark ignition water heater. You can see the electric switch out here, so you can turn that on here or inside. One of the other neat features we have, folks, is a huge 21-foot awning. This is a power awning, as you can see, with an LED light strip. Down below here, We have your furnace. This is a 40,000 BTU floor ducted heat furnace. Next to that, we have your marine grade exterior speakers. There's one on either side of the door. And then you have an outlet, a 110 outlet that you could plug in a George Foreman or any kind of radio or anything like that. Here we want to show you our axle system. We have two 5,080-pound axles. Each one of them has their own brake on there, and we also use 15-inch radial tires. Here we have our big grab handle, which helps you get in and out. This is a standard feature here. Our doorway is bigger than most of our competitors. It is a 32-inch wide entry door, and a lot of our competitors are 28 inches wide or even 26 inches wide on some of them. One of the neat features that we have is our Lippert solid step. It's an aluminum step, and this step lifts into the entry door when you're in your travel position. Hi, now we're inside the Navigation 301 RBS. Let me show you the neat features that are inside here. Here you can get in your entertainment center, you can get a 42-inch TV in there. You got your AV jacks here. It is cable and satellite prepped, and you got a nice power outlet there. Lots of counter space up here in your 301 RBS Navigation. You also have lots of storage, a couple drawers here. Moving down, you have your residential sound bar. This sound bar is a DVD sound bar that has a USB port, and it is also Bluetooth. Down below that, we have your 30-inch fireplace. It does give out 4,600 BTUs of heat, and it also has 4 different color codes of flame and stone. Here you have lots of drawers in your kitchen area. You also have your stove here, your gray stone stove. This is a nice backsplash. And you got your nice 3 burners. Here you have your stainless steel big bowl sinks. Also have a high spout faucet. Here you have your magnetic stainless steel roll up sink covers. They just roll right up and you can stow them away. Here you have another big block of drawers underneath. And then underneath your kitchen sink you also have lots of storage underneath there as well. Now let's move into the bathroom of your 301 Navigation. Back in here, you have your fiberglass one-piece shower. It is just a regular shower. It's got a sliding door. Here you have your porcelain foot flush toilet. And over here to my back side, you've got another 3 drawers of storage, cabinet underneath your sink, and then you have a huge medicine cabinet. One of the neat features that we do in the Navigation series is we give you a porcelain sink and a regular residential faucet in your bathroom. So many of our competitors will use a plastic sink in your bathroom. Out here we have lots of storage for your pantry. Moving over here to the off-door side, you've got your Everchill 10.7 refrigerator. It does have a travel lock on it. And then you can open it up and have lots of space to use in your travel trailer here. Over here we have our theater seat. Our theater seat has lots of storage in it, cup holders, and it does recline. Notice how you have USB ports at either side of your seating area. Above your seating area you have lots of cabinet space there to store extra books or pots and pans and stuff like that. Over here you have your dining room area. Now this is a different way of doing your dining room. We do give you a bench and 2 chairs and then a dinette table. So you can get 4 people here even though this is a couple's coach. But if you had the event that you wanted just to show a movie, you can slide your dinette table back and this will be just a bench for you so you can get 4 or 6 people sitting here watching a movie with you. Now we're in the master bedroom of the Navigation 301 RBS. One of the first features you're going to see is our big bed. We have a 70 by 80 king size bed. You're going to have the inner spring mattress here, but what I want to point out is you got your nice wood headboard there. You got USB ports on either side of your bed. You've got opening windows. Then you have lots of storage up above. One of the nicest features of this unit that a lot of our competitors don't have is we actually have a walk-in closet in a travel trailer. We have a split here down the middle, so it's kind of a his and her type of closet. On this side, we have hers. So you have 5 dresser drawers here. You got places to hang your clothes, and then you also have a shelf on top. On the other side, he's got the same thing. 5 drawers here on your dresser. You got a shelf and a place to hang your clothes. Over here you have an additional 4 drawers of storage in your traditional dresser. That's 14 drawers in your master bedroom. Folks, that's more than any other competitor out there in the marketplace today. Here you have a place where you can put your 32-inch TV. It has your USB ports and your outlets down below. You have lots of storage up here in your overhead as well. And that's it for the Navigation 301 RBS. I thank you for watching the video. If you have any more questions, you can give me a call at 574-326-3307 or email me at rvprorob.reed@gmail.com.